Viewers, again welcome. Let's dive into the world of very beautiful, very artistic ideas of button crafts. Button may look small and ordinary, but they carry endless creative possibilities. You can use them to decorate cards, designs, colorful canvases, make jewelry, or add life to jars and photo frames. The truly beauty of button crafts lies in mindfulness. Sorting buttons by color, size, or shapes draws your full attention. Choosing where to place each one requires focus. This quite repetitive process clears away stress and creates a sense of order in the mind. Each button is unique, just like each thought or feelings we experience. Crafting with buttons teach us acceptance that no two pieces need to be the same and that imperfection can be beautiful. For children, button crafts encourage creativity and improves fine motor skills. For adults, they serve as a gentle practice of patience, balance, and relaxation. Every button you place is like a mindful breath, steady, calm, and grounding. So, whether you are building with possible popsicle sticks, shaping pom poms, or creating with buttons, remembering that crafting is not just a hobby, it's a form of mindfulness. Mindfulness is empty, paying attention to the present moment with kindness and without judgment. Crafting is a perfect gateway to that state of mind. As you paint, glue, or sew your busy thoughts, slow down. You stop multitasking. You breathe deeper. Your hands and mind move together in harmony. Crafting also teaches us patience. Projects often take time, and that waiting trains us to let go of the rush of the daily life. Remind us that progress comes step by step and that beauty grows slowly. Another wonderful benefit is gratitude. By reusing simple material like sticks, yarn, or buttons, we learn to appreciate the small things around us. We see how even the most ordinary objects can hold value if we treat them with care. And finally, crafting connects us. It brings families together at the table, friends together in creativity, and individuals closer to themselves. It gives us a space to reflect, heal, and recharge. So, next time you feel stressed or overwhelmed, try this. Take a handful of buttons, a ball of yarn, or a few wooden sticks. Sit quietly, put away distractions, and just begin. Focus on the texture, the colors, the shapes. Breathe slowly, let the process guide. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope this inspires you to start or continue your crafting journey. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. More creative inspiration, and remember, crafting isn't just about making things, it's about making time for your mind, heart, and soul. So for children, button crafts build patience and hand coordination. For adults, they provide stress relief, a playful spirit, and the satisfaction of creating something beautiful and colorful and cheerful. As you craft, you naturally focus on texture, color, and movement. Your mind relaxes, your breathing evens out, or you enter a calm, mindful flow. These soft, playful decorations are not just fun to make; they also remind us that joy is found in simple, small things. Next, let's explore beautiful things, and we try to give you the amazing things for our viewers. Let's begin with popsicle sticks craft. These small wooden sticks are simple yet so versatile. So you can turn your button craft or popsicle craft them into picture frames, pen holder, bird's house, photo frame, canvases, and many more ideas you can get from this video. So thanks you for exploring me for this journey. Have a very nice and beautiful day. Thank you for joining me today. We are doing trying to show you that amazing craft for yourself and family members. Keep crafting, keep sharing for more designs and ideas. And don't forget to subscribe, and we are trying to bring for you that amazing collection for everyone who wants to create something unique and different. Keep crafting and happy crafting. May your holiday fulfilled with love, happiness, and prosperity. Have a very nice and beautiful journey, and we gives you that amazing task by your amazing collection. Thank you for watching. Have a very nice and beautiful journey. May your life and home fulfilled with love, happiness, and beauty. God bless you all. Take care of yourself and your family members. Bless you all. Have a very nice day. Hello viewers, again welcome.
Life
Let's
fulfilled
dive
with
into the
love,
world of
happiness, and
very
prosperity.
beautiful,
Thank you for
very
watching
artistic
once again.
ideas
Have a very
of
nice and beautiful journey.